This is Dan from Firestorm here. We're in the IWI booth. This is their new shotgun. So in this case, this is their TS12 shotgun. It is a 15 plus 1 round shotgun. It is semi-auto. So in this case, what you have here is you have a cocking handle on one side. This happens to be the left-handed version. But then you also have the ability then to fire, obviously, as fast as you can pull the trigger for 5 rounds. Once you hit that 5th round, it is not an automatic changeover of the magazine tube. These are the magazine tubes here. What you do have to do, there's a small button inside of here that you do have to push in order to rotate the magazine. It will click into place, and then you have the next 5 rounds. Bang, 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 bang. And you have to push and rotate manually. What you do have also on the back is you have the ability to load your magazine tubes on either side. So you have the ability to load each mag independently. You can load 2 magazine tubes at a time. You also have the ability to eject out the previous rounds. And by ejecting out the previous round, there's a stop right here, so that your round's just not going to fly out. So if you wanted to move all the rounds from your particular magazine tube, there's a button here. You can press this button, and the round will slide out and stop. And in this case, you also have a bolt release here. So if your bolt is held back, you have a bolt release right here. And like I said, it is, in this case, hit the bolt release. So in this case, it is, this one, like I said, is in a left-hand configuration, but you also have a gas regulator here for high and low. But other than that, really, really nice shotgun. It feels good against the shoulder. It actually has a very nice trigger for a bolt lever. So again, the IWI TS12.
All right, so